Hello children, good morning. Welcome to our maths class. How are you? Hope that you are fine. Let us start our class now. Today we are going to learn prime factorization method by using division. Okay, already we learned prime factorization by factor tree method. Now we are going to learn by division method. Okay, in this method also, we start by dividing the number by the smallest prime number and continue doing that until we reach 1. Let us factorize 42. Okay, now if you observe here 42, we know already 2 is the smallest prime number. So, 2 is dividing 42 21 times. 2 21s are 42. Now we are writing like this, 2 and 21 here. This is a 2 and this is a 21. 2 21s are 42. Okay. Next 21, we have the number 21. We are going to check for prime factors. Here 21 is not divisible by 2. That's why we are going to divide by 3. 3 sevens are 21. So write here 3 and here 7. And we have now number 7. 7 is a prime number. So it is divisible by 1 and itself. So 7 ones are 7. This is the way to find out prime factorization by division method. Finally, the factorization of 42 is, here it is 2, 3, 7. So 2 into 3 into 7. We need to continue this process until we reach 1. Here we got 1. So this is the way to do prime factorization method by division. Now let us see one more example. Factorize 84 by using the division method. First we will divide with the 2 table. 2 how many times? 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. So 2 42 times or 84. After that, draw one line here. Okay. Next again check for which number it is divisible. 42 is divisible by 2 again. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 221. Again check for the next number. Okay, here 21 is not divisible by 2 but it is divisible by 3. Okay, 3 sevens are 41. Now again try to divide this 7 by prime number. Already 7 is a prime number, so 7 ones are 7. Okay, 7 ones are 7. Now finally we got 1. Then the process is completed. Now what is the prime factorization of 84? Now the prime factorization of 84 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. This is the way to do prime factorization method by using division. Okay. Today's homework, page number 59, third question. Find the prime factors of the following numbers using prime factorization method. Here we have two types of prime factorization methods. One is a factor tree method, second one is a division method. You can follow either method, either first method or the second method. Okay, now I will explain first question 90 by factor tree method as well as division method also. First, let us see how to do by using factor tree method. Here take number 90. Okay, now check with the first prime number 2. Is it divisible by 2? Yes, it is divisible by 2. Write here 2. 2 how many times is for 90? 2 45 times is a 90. Okay. Next 45. Again we are going to check for the prime numbers. Is 2 divides 45? No, 45 is not divisible by 2. Then we need to check for the next prime number. 2 after what is the prime number? 3. So it is divisible by 3. 3 how many times? It is divisible by 3. 3 15s or 45. Okay. Now again we are going to check prime factors for the 15. 2 is not divisible. 3 again it is divisible. So 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. This is the factor tree method. Now what are the prime factors of this 90? The factors of this 90 are, write this below the picture, 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Okay, now for the same question I am going to explain by second method also. Second method is division method. Now let us see how to do this question. Draw here one long line, here short line. Now what is the first prime number? 2. 2 is divides 90 to 45s or 90. Okay, again check for the next possible prime number. Here 2 is not possible to divide 45. Then go for 3. Yes, it is divisible. 3 15s or 45. Write here 15 and draw the short line below the 15. Now check for the 15. 2 is not divisible here. Then go for the next prime number 3. 3 5s are 15. So finally 5 is a prime number. That's 5. 5 ones are 5. If you reach 1 in this process, then stop the division method. Then we will get the answer. This is the prime factorization by division method. Now the factors of 90 are 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Write this final answer below the diagram, Nana. So here place is not sufficient for me. That's why I wrote like this. Better to write below the solution. Okay, this is the way to solve this third question. If you feel tree method easy, then follow it. Otherwise, if you feel division method is easy, then follow division method. Okay.